Hi, I am Atya Nasreen. I am a part of Paper Curves creative team. Today I am just going to introduce about all thigh clay supplies what we have in our paper curves. So first I just want to introduce about this thigh clay. It's a air dry clay. So I have taken the thigh clay. You can see the texture. It's very soft and smooth, and it will give natural effect to the flowers. And with this clay I'm using this Winton and Newton oil colors. This color is best because it after we put this colors it stays long time, and we can you can see the results. It looks glossy and natural effect of the flowers. This one is the best one from all among oil colors. So I am taking very less oil color, so I am kneading it. Make sure there's no white is seen. Mix well. You can see now it's fully mixed. Taking this pasta sheets, just remove from one side, just tear from one side slowly. Don't do both the sides same time. Don't do like this. Just take it one side slowly. And then you go for other side. So like this you can get it. So after taking pasta sheets, I'm just going to grease little amount of Vaseline so that your clay will not stick in the plastic sheets. It will be easy to, while we are rolling, it will be easy. So this is the clay what we have made already. So just roll like this, make it straight, and then don't go in the edge, just in the little upward side, little here. Now I'm closing. I'm going to roll. So first let me introduce the pasta machine what we have in paper curves. This is the pasta machine we are getting in paper curves. With this we will roll the clay and make the flowers. So these are the attachments you will get with this pack. So I'm just going to show you how to attach it. You can see the hole here. With this hole I'm going to fix it. You can see this hole. See, now it's gone inside. All you want to do is just roll the sheet. You'll get a flat even clay. Then you can remove it. This one is the attachment where you can fix in the table. Then it get fixed with your table, so it will be steady. You can use it. I have fixed the pasta machine in the edge of the table so that it will be steady. It will not move. Now with the pasta sheet I'm going to roll the clay. There are different kinds of number in the pasta machine. You can adjust according to your leaf thickness or petal thickness. So excess clay I'm going to remove it. So these are the cutters, flower cutters. I have taken rose one. This is the petal rose. This is the petal one, and this is for the leaf. So I'm going to cut now. You can see the two sides of the cutter. Like you can see the sharp one where we need to cut. The opposite side we should not cut because it will come uneven. So always see there's a cut in this, and then we are going to cut now. So after this, gently remove the excess clay from the sheet, and you can keep it back, this clay, in your plastic sheet. You can wrap and keep it back. After this, close the pasta sheets and you just slightly press the clay what we have cut already. So I have taken the petal now. This is the rose petal. So this is the frilling tool. I'm just going to frill. You can see this pointed side is facing my side, and I will keep my thumb here to have a control. Just slowly roll the frilling tool, not your petals, just roll. You'll get a nice frilling effect. This is the ball tool. We get in different sizes. This is a medium. We have a bigger, smaller. So many sizes are there. So from here, I'm going to take this side, the bigger side, to give a deep finish. After this, after giving this ball effect in the petal, I'm gently going to leave it to dry for some time, so it will let it hold the shape. This is square tool. You can see sharp square tool. You can see all the edges. It looks like a square. This kind of tools we can use in morning glory flower and daffodil flowers. You can see in the middle. For that kind of depth cuts, we can use this one. So I'm going to take the glue. This is the Thai white glue. So I have made like this. The center of the daffodils, you can see it will look like this. So what I have stick it's now it's dry. So I'm going to use this sharp square tool. You can see the lines over there, very tiny lines with the detailed lines you can see. This effect will come only with this square tool. I'm going to use the flower mold. So before using the flower mold, always grease with your Vaseline because it's very dry and hard, so you can see that. So take the petal and then you can put in the middle. Don't press hard, just gently you press. and with the help of tool I am just taking it out. Now I am going to make the stem for the flower. I have taken little glue. This is the green wire. I'm just applying it full, and this is the clay, green clay, which I already mixed and kept. Just roll it evenly, and then you'll get even effect. So for this we can use this, the veiner tool. We can show the veins with this. You can see the veins here. So I have taken the rose petal, rose leaves. So I'm going to give the impression on this. So before that, as I said, I'm going to put the Vaseline on the mold. Press gently, don't press very hard, otherwise the clay will get cut. So I have now pressed it well. Now I'm going to take it. You can see the lines of the leaf, rose leaf, veinous, you can say. I've taken the green wire, I have applied little glue. Now I'm going to fix in the middle of the leaf. Just press little, just cover the wire. So I'm going to attach the leaf in the stem. This is the curve tool. I'm going to poke. And then you can fix it here and then press. We also have some Thai clay flower accessories, like we have birds different with the different colors, and we have different shapes of buds. This is all useful for the lotus bud and the center of the rose. I'm going to show you how we are going to use these buds. Just cover this clay with the green color. I'm taking this yellow. The yellow one will look more natural on the example, like lotus flowers, we use center. So after fixing the pollens, we will arrange the petals layer by layer. Hope you all enjoy the tutorial. In future we will show you the entire making of the flowers.